Hi. So far we discussed about the difference mean of group. Today in this section of video I will discuss about the robust ANOVA. What and by using Kruskal-Wells model, what does it mean? That if you have data and the data is divided into subgroups, and each and every group might be possible that data distribution in a similar form, but you don't know. Now you want to make the relationship, want to establish on the relationship that how the data is distributed for each and every group. To do these things, you can call the Kruskal-Wells model, where it is working on non-parametric version of ANOVA, I mean analysis of the variance. It doesn't mean that the it will work on the same shape distributions as well, where the data is known distributions or it is non-parametrically or it is simply unknown. This type of data set, this is the very useful for using the Kruskal-Wells model. So let's start with that. Sorry. So the heading I'm giving like that. Now want to do that robust ANOVA for sorry, for Kruskal uh, Wells. Okay, it is not a word, Kruskal-Wells. So let's start it with that. So what will happen? You should have to make the model first. To do the model, you will call one function, maybe Kruskal, only Kruskal, sorry, Kruskal test exactly. Now I will go through the RAD dataset only, RAD datasets, and I'm using the data frame of time, and along with that I want to make the establishment for RAD's dataset, and response variable or input variable will be treated as treat. Okay, treat you can give the position. I'm giving the position, so not an issue. So you will make the establishment and you want to test on that. So how the data will be distributed, it will be performed at here. So let's run the programs. If you run the programs, you get the answer like this. So it is not very difficult. That Kruskal-Wells rank sum test is called at here. After that, Kruskal-Wells size square values. Size square means whatever the error values will given at here. This means unit at the difference of 2, and p values is quite similar. So you can consider your model that is good. So by know the understanding the how your model is related to your subdivided group, by you can perform on the data or not, or what the operation in further you will perform. So you will take the decisions by using Kruskal-Wells model. I think hope you understand. If you have a query, comment, please put the query and comment in the comment sections. Please like, subscribe and share my videos, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Have a nice day.